Most people think that they need expensive products or a 10-step routine to get a clear, healthy skin. But what if I told you that the real reason your skin is not improving is not because you are doing less, but because you are doing too much or simply doing it wrong? Every day in my clinic, I see patients who are using 6 to 7 products, following random advice from social media, and still struggling with acne, dullness, or sensitivity. So in this video, I'm going to simplify everything for you. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to build your own skincare routine step by step based on your skin type, not based on your trends. But before we can talk about products, there is one mistake that almost everyone makes. They start using products without understanding their own skin. And if you get this first step wrong, no routine will ever work for you. So let's fix that first. Think about your skin after you wash your face. If it feels tight and stretchy, you most likely have a dry skin. If your face becomes oily within a couple of hours, especially around the forehead, the nose and chin, then you have an oily skin. If some areas are oily and some are dry, that is a combination skin. And if your skin reacts easily with redness, burning or irritation, then it is sensitive. This is the foundation, because the same product will behave very differently on different skin type. Now, once you understand your skin, building a routine actually becomes very simple. Not complicated, not confusing, just simple and effective. A proper skincare routine is built on just a few essential steps. And if you follow these correctly, you do not need anything fancy. The first step is cleansing. Your skin is exposed to dirt, oil, pollution, and sweat throughout the day. If you do not clean it properly, everything else you apply will not work effectively. But here is where people go wrong. They either use the wrong type of cleanser or they overdo it. If you have an oily skin, a gentle gel-based cleanser works well. If you have a dry skin, you need something more hydrating, like a cream-based cleanser. And one important thing, washing your face more than 2 or 3 times a day will not make your skin cleaner. It will actually damage your skin barrier and make your problem even worse. Now, after cleansing, many people jump directly to treatments or serums, but they skip one important step, that is moisturizing. There is a very common myth that if you have an oily or an acne-prone skin, you should avoid moisturizer. In reality, when you skip moisturizer, your skin tries to compensate by producing even more oil, and that often leads to more acne, not less. So regardless of your skin type, moisturizing is essential. Now comes the most neglected and yet the most important step in any skincare routine: sunscreen. You can use the best product in the world, but if you are not protecting your skin from the sun, you are undoing all your progress every single day. Sun exposure is one of the biggest causes of pigmentation, tanning, premature aging, and even worsening of acne marks. A basic sunscreen with SPF 30 or above, applied properly and when reapplied when needed, can make a visible difference in your skin over time. Now this is your basic skincare routine: cleanser, moisturizer, and sunscreen. But this is where things get interesting, because many of you are dealing with specific concerns like acne, pigmentation, or hair-related issues. And this is where the fourth step comes in: targeted treatment. This step is not universal. It depends on concerns. Some people may need ingredients that help control acne. Some may need something for pigmentation. Others may be looking for anti-aging support. But this is also the step where most people make mistake. They start using strong active ingredients without understanding how they work or whether the skin actually needs them. And that often leads to irritation, breakouts, or worsening of the condition. So if you are planning to include treatments in your routine, it is always better to do with proper guidance rather than experimenting randomly. Now, another important thing people ask me is whether morning and night routine should be different. The answer is yes, but only slightly. In morning, Your focus should be protection. You cleanse your skin, apply moisturizer, and most importantly, sunscreen. At night, your focus shifts to repair. You cleanse again. This is the time when treatments, if needed, can be used, followed by a good moisturizer. Your skin naturally repairs itself while you sleep, so your night routine supports that process. Now, before you start building your routine from today, there are a few common mistakes that you need to avoid. The first is to constantly changing products. Skincare needs consistency, but you keep switching products every few days. Your skin never gets the chance to adapt or improve. The second mistake is following trends blindly. What works for someone else will not work for you because your skin type and concerns are different. Another common mistake is over-exfoliation. People think that more exfoliation means better skin, but in reality, it often leads to sensitivity and damage. And finally, expecting instant results. Healthy skin is not built overnight. It usually takes at least few weeks of consistent care to start seeing visible improvement. So if you take away one thing from this video, let this be. Keep your skincare routine simple, consistent, and suited to your skin. You do not need 10 products. You need the right products, use it in the right way, and if you are still unsure about what exactly your skin needs, or if you are dealing with persistent skin issues, consulting dermatologist can save you a lot of time, money, and confusion. If you find this helpful, make sure you stay connected because I'll be sharing more evidence-based skincare guidance to help you take better care of your skin.